Hi guys, I'm here to talk about this news na may batang may influenza na nahulog sa 4th floor ng mansion or tinatawag dito sa Japan na apartment or condominium. And then, napakalungkot kasi and I also think na i-share ko din yung experience ko. Okay, so last Saturday, yung anak ko, sobrang taas ng fever. And then, pina-check namin and it's positive, so nagka-influenza A siya. And then may gamot naman na prescribe yung doctor, which is, isa lang naman yung gamot na yun. And then, it's very effective for influenza. So, tinake yung gamot and then sabi dun sa information na we need to be careful kasi nag-create talaga siya ng hallucinations or imaginations sa mga bata. And then, after that 2 days after, after that time, sobrang taas ng lagnat ng anak ko. Like, it reached almost 40 degrees. Pinaka-highest is 39.6. And then, right after that, 2 days after that, last night, nagkaroon siya ng hallucination, which is takot na takot ako kasi yung parang ginaganon niya yung parang may nakikita siya sa taas, tapos he's afraid of looking down. And then, talagang sobrang natatakot ako. And then, after that, I just, try to let him awake from that imagination para ma-separate siya dun sa hallucination niya. I tried to name everything, like, kasi nagmamas ako at that time kasi para kasing sabi kasi ng doctor, he needs to be quarantined. So andun siya sa kwarto niya and then I was wearing mask. Tapos every single thing pino-point out ko na to para magising siya sa katotohanan na that is just a dream or hallucination na yung nangyari sa kanya. And then when he started to point out that, okay, this is mask, and then what pajama are you wearing? So ginaganon ko siya para parang magising siya. So yan, I just want to share kasi sobrang importante ito lalo na sa ating mga nanay dito sa Japan. Maraming mga cases sa influenza ngayon. So let's be careful and let's pay attention to our kids. And then if possible, try to wake up as much as possible. Kagaya ko, I usually wake up every 1 to 2 hours. And I also set an alarm para talaga makagising ako kasi minsan talagang pagod tayo and then mahirap gumising. But sa sobra sigurong worry ko sa anak ko, before the alarm rings, gising na ako to check his temperature. So sobrang dangerous talaga pag nagkakaroon ka ng influenza. So ingat tayong lahat and maraming salamat.